welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mo.exclusivehair here, and I'm back with another video. Look at my luscious locks. This hair is brought to you by mo.exclusivehair on Instagram. Anyways guys, hope you guys have enjoyed your Christmas holiday, and I hope you guys are ready for the new year. And to welcome in the new year, I was like, let me do a new little hairstyle or whatever. New, but not really. So basically this hair has been with me for about a year. And I was just like, you know what, this hair is really, really good. And I got it from a really good person that makes these wigs, like, you know, with love and care. And I was like, let me bring this review to you so that y'all can hit her up. She's a black woman and she is a small business owner. So I'll insert her name right here and go check her out. So yeah, let's talk about the hair. This hair is super long, super soft. It holds curls. It's like 100% human hair. It holds curls. Honestly, the first time I started wearing this hair, I never had worn like actual real wigs before. All the wigs that I had, well, 2 wigs that I had and one was given to me, were all synthetic and were all bought like at the beauty supply store, and they were not really, you know, they were just synthetic wigs. So then I posted on my Snapchat one day, I need to change my hairstyle. I do braids every single time, or like my natural hair, but then I did the big chop, which I did 3 times last year. And now, you know, I'm trying to make sure I do protective style so I can leave my hair to grow out and stop cutting it. So then Mo2, that's her name, she reached out to me and was like, you know, I have a business or whatever, and I could send you some hair and you could test it out and all of that and see, you know. And I kid you not, this is the best thing that's happened to me because it's quick, it's easy to style, it's easy to wash. I've washed this hair in and out, I've curled this hair, I've straightened this hair, and it's awesome. Like, you wash it, it dries beautifully, you put the, like, it's shiny, it's glossy, it's nice. And I'm gonna insert some clips of the hair washed and some clips of the hair after styling. So today, basically this hair, I had it in a side part before, but then I was like, you know, we're going into a new year, let me try something different from what I had last year. So basically I just tried to like cut a little bit of bangs-ish. You know, let me know in the comment section below if you like it. I don't know, I'm still, you know, whatever. But yeah, so I don't know what else to say about this hair, but it's like so soft, and it's actually terrible that it's so soft because I keep running my hands through it. My curls hold perfectly, but like if you keep running your hands through it, like you're still gonna lose that tight curl, you know. So that's the only downside, but it's not really a downside. And what else? Yeah, it's super long. It came in a good length. It stops like right here when it's curly, and like longer when it's straight. You could straighten the hair, you can curl it, you could blow dry, you could dye. I've never dyed it before because I don't even know how to do that. But yeah, this is it's not a full lace frontal, it's a closure. So it's just like from the lace is just from here to here, and you could do a side part or middle part. But I chose to do bangs right now. I know, because I do rock side parts, and I feel like with this hair I can't really pull up a middle part. But I wanted to add that the reason why I didn't want to do this review like so early when I got this hair was because I just really wanted to really absorb, like, you know, see how it lasts over time, because hair costs money, and I'm being realistic because I ain't got the coins like that yet. And I'm just being real, like, I cannot be buying hair every month, every 2 months, every 3 months, because the hair I got last time for almost $300 or something, that's not how much this was, but like I'm saying in general, like based on stuff I've seen, or you get the cheap ones and then they don't last. So I'm just saying, like, that's why I really try to make sure to see this hair, if it lasts, you know, if it could face time. And it really does. And like, now look at me rocking a whole nother style. I really hope you guys like this. Please go check mo.exclusivehair out on Instagram, and like I said, I'll leave her information down below. And yeah, I hope this video was helpful for someone if they're looking for someone that like to support a small black business owner. Go check her out, you know, and support her, because when she blows up and you start getting them prices, don't say I didn't tell you. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in the next one, and go watch my vlogs from Vlogmas. They were awesome. So it's kind of good to be filming this way again, you know, the whole cute backdrops. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay blessed and not stressed.